We're getting ready to go to the volcano with a lot of layers, and Wally was showing me something he bought.
Yep. So I was given some money for REI for my birthday.
Yeah.
And I thought a life straw would probably be a good thing to buy. It's basically just, a little straw. You stick it in the mud and you can drink mud. Filters it, gets all the microbes and
That's awesome.
bacteria and I don't know what else, parasites out of it.
So, Wally was recently sick when we were coming from Panajachel to Antigua.
Oh yeah, I got the poops.
Yeah. So, we missed a little of yesterday. We didn't go out to explore. We're going out now, and in 2 hours we have to be at Old Town Outfitters.
Yeah, to get ready to go to the volcano.
Wow, look at Antigua. It's beautiful. Domino's Pizza, Guatemala, Jersey. That I love so much.
Oh yeah. The ice cream bus.
Wow, so many people.
I never would have expected this to be this much of a trip.
I don't know if we're gonna be able to cross.
Oh, yeah, of course. Yeah.
It's super touristy.
Yeah, just straight.
Oh no. Oh no. Too many of them. Oh no, we're inside the group now. These Old Town Outfitters. So we're about to head to the Acatenango volcano, where we're gonna see the Fuego volcano and camp in tents.
Yep.
We are doing this the laziest way possible because I have an injury and Wally also.
Oh yeah, I had a bad night last night, or the night before, really.
Yeah.
But yeah, I something with the water or something I ate. I don't know. So we're taking it easy.
I'm gonna show you the easiest, laziest way to do this hike and camp up top.
Also, we feel like we've earned an easy volcano after Mount Agong, because that one was brutal. We hiked all night and all day.
We have a little bit of PTSD from Mount Agong.
Yeah, so we don't want to suffer on this vacation too much.
Yeah, we're gonna try to do it easy. So he said it's 2 hours that we're gonna ride. The first hour is flat and the second hour is pretty steep. Yeah, we wanna see some explosions, we want to see lava, and we wanna fly the drone close to the volcano.
That's the other reason that we did the 4x4 option, is because I brought like 50 pounds worth of batteries on my drone.
We're pretty loaded, our bags are really heavy.
We each have 2 liters of water or more.
Get ready.
Fuck that. I'm so glad I'm not hiking this shit. Yeah. So, yeah.
That's awesome. Where are you guys from?
From North Carolina and
Buenos Aires,
Oh, awesome.
Argentina. Yeah.
Where am I staying running?
Asheville.
Oh, sorry.
Yeah.
You were from Guatemala? Okay.
It's slow, but things are mostly normal.
I was there last year. So beautiful. This is
Just in
spicy.
case you don't have paper,
Oh.
I provide to you, you know?
Oh, nice.
It's very nice.
Uh-huh.
This is a natural paper. Catherine, ¿y el perrito? ¿Cómo? Bobby. This is Saulo, my friend Saulo.
Hola, Salo.
YouTube channel?
Yeah.
I want to subscribe.
Ginge the twins.
Change the twins. I love that.
Guys, so we just came up on our accommodations. They're letting us put our bags in, but they haven't quite outfitted us with sleeping essentials. But it's a pretty big space.
It looks really nice.
Very tiered.
Yeah. I saw a review in which someone was complaining that they brought their own tent. They hiked by themselves and then they never found a place to place the tent. They had to pay a company like 200 quetzales to be able to sell it. They have every single space like occupied. All the companies. It's crazy. I found the Wally. Yeah, looking for snacks. Yeah.
Or cliffs.
Oh, I want them both. What are the cliffs? Lego.
Chocolate chip.
That one.
Agreed.
Bye.
So you moved to Chicago?
Yeah, after graduation.
Downtown or?
Downtown in Lincoln Park.
Oh, nice. This park's really nice. Oh, a doghouse over there?
My dad ran into a tractor.
No way.
So we had to get like air off the ambulance.
He's gonna play his drone.
So that it doesn't look as stuttery when you
Yeah.
kind of pan.
Okay.
We got two pilots.
Well, we got two pilots actually.
Very different.
Wow, it looks amazing.
Alright, so we're down. We're down.
Sí, es increíble. It's raining now. Yeah.
Shit.
It's hell.
With the drone.
Everyone is very excited because there is either thunder or the volcano is exploding. And it means it's not dormant anymore. What do you think it is, though?
I know it's the volcano. There's no way it's thunder.
There's no way. We're inside of the cloud right now.
You couldn't even see past the tent.
No.
Oh, I want to go up.
Of course.
Yep.
You too?
Unsure.
Yeah, probably. Okay, let's go.
It says low battery already. That's not good.
Hola, ¿qué tal? Buen día. ¿Cómo le va?
Qué lindo amanecer.
Sí, hermoso.
It is a section. Oh,
Oh yeah.
Oh, that's beautiful. The pictures from today.
Wow.
Wow.